Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's see and let's check your person's emotion ngayong parating na week pagdating sa'yo. Syempre. Again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yeah, dito sila lahat. So, meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, necklace. Okay, ito yung necklace natin. So, yan, ganyan siya. Okay? Necklace and bracelet. So, yung bracelet natin is dalawang uri, isang adjustable at isang garterized. So, nagkabuhol na. Oh my gosh. So, yes, yan siya. So, ito yung adjustable. Ito po yung garterized. Ganito yung pendant ng garterized. Okay? Yan po. So, there. Yeah, okay. So, yung ating garterized, yung ating adjustable is ganito naman. So, meron siyang 5 colors ng evil eye dyan. So, may kanya-kanyang role yan. Okay, anyway, so meron tong initial. Meron po kaming initial na ilalagay. Initial ng magmamayari po. Ha? So, unisex po, no, yung ating mga evil eye protection. Except lang po itong ring. Okay? Pang babae ito eh. Kung gusto nyo suot, kung kayo ay lalaki, yes. If you're interested, this is adjustable naman. Anyway, so yung atin namang 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Meron po siyang citrine. Okay? Legit citrine stones. Okay? For abundance po. Ha? Yung ating citrine. Citrine po is nag-a-act as magnet. Money magnet. Okay? So, abundance, prosperity, yan ang dala, yan ang kinukuha, yan ang minamagnet ng citrine stone. So, pwede siyang gamitin sa career nyo, sa trabaho, sa lalong-lalo na sa business. Okay? So, pampadami ng sales, pampadami ng customers, clients, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, connections, parang ganyan din, no? So, 2-in-1, the best of both worlds. No, love and money nga. Okay, so ganyan siya. As you can see. Oo, mapapansin nyo, meron silang maliliit dyan na stone. Yun po yung citrine. Okay? And syempre, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, gagamitin mo sa business mo, gagamitin mo lang for money. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, red pouch, lagay mo sa bulsa mo, and yeah, ready to go. Parang ganon. Wala na pong gagawin, ha? Okay, kasi yung iba sinasabi, "Hi ma'am, kinlens ko siya ganito, kinlens ko yung ganyan, nahilo ako." Wala na pong kailangan gawin, okay? Susuot na lang. Ako na nga yung gumawa eh. Hindi ko naman sinabing i-cleanse. Ha? Okay? So, there. Okay, so, next is yung ating necklace. So, necklace, oo, yung ating granter necklace, yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. And tagapagbigay po siya ng surprises, weekly. Okay, weekly may darating sa inyong maganda. Okay, in general. Good energy. Okay, so yun ha, si granter. Taga-grant lang ito ng minamanifest mo. Yes, hindi siya yung gagawa ng kung ano man para sa'yo. Okay, magmamanifest ka, siya yung mag-grant. So, kailangan mong proteksyonan yung minamanifest mo sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng mga evil eye protection. Okay, isa na yon. Isa na yon para maisalba ng magandahan ang iyong mga minamanifest. Okay, isa na yon. So, next is yung ating cord cut, pangtanggal MALAS. Pantanggal alat. Kung dati pa sa tingin ninyo, ano ba naman to, nawawala na yung aking customer, nawawala na yung sales, whatsoever. Yeah. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pwede mo isabit sa pinto, yan, sa business mo, ilagay mo sa may table mo, whatsoever. Pwede mo siyang isuot. Okay? Kailangan ko po ng real name, ha? Na magmamay-ari. So, yun lamang. So, again, kung meron pong tanong, again, ha? Message lang po. Huwag sa comment section. Hindi ko kayo sasagutin pag sa comment section. Yes. So, let's see and let's check your person's emotion pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so let's start with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Who is this person? Para makita natin yung emosyon. Sino ba ito? Anong meron? Anong meron sa inyo ng taong to? Queen of Wands. Some of you, this person is, sabihin nating attractive. Mga pababae, lalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Knight of Swords in reversed. May tendency na pwedeng, some of them, they have a lot of insecurities. Kahit sabihin natin na sila ay maganda or whatsoever, may insecurities. Okay? Some of them, kung sa tingin mo wala naman silang insecurities, yung iba sa kanila is nag-entertain ng iba't ibang energy, nag-entertain ng iba't ibang tao. Okay? Nakikitaan ko itong person mo na merong mga kakonek na iba-iba. Eight of Pentacles, pwedeng sa workplace. Pwedeng nagtatrabaho siya na pwedeng sabihin natin meron siyang mga kinakausap. Mga ano po yan ha, mga specific, huwag niyong kukunin lahat kasi pwedeng hindi naman lahat totally mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Some of you, hindi consistent ang communication nyo with this person. Okay, let's see, ano bang sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon? Anong sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon? Situation ninyo ng taong to ngayon. Okay, Justice in reverse. There's imbalance. Some of you, this is infidelity. Or could be legal matter sa situation. Some of you, this person is dealing with two people. Itong person mo, they could be dealing with two people or more. So, Justice in reverse pagdating sa sitwasyon. And the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this is third party involved. Third party. There could be third party involved. Eight of Swords. Some of you, hindi mo alam to. Yeah, the Magician. Okay. So, magaling mag-manipulate yung person mo. May chance na kaya hindi sila consistent sa'yo kasi pwedeng may mga ine-entertain nga na iba. There could be, infidelity pagdating dyan sa connection ninyo. Some of you, hindi mo alam na may iba siya. I'm sorry. Pero kung alam mo, then this is, sabihin natin, pwedeng makaresonate, no? Let's see what is their emotion for you. What is their emotion? Alam mo, eto, air sign. Ito sasabihin ko sa'yo. Na itong taong to, yes, they have insecurities. Nawawala yung insecurities ng taong to sa pamamagitan ng pakikipag-connect kung kani-kanino para makakuha sila ng something. Okay? Gusto nila na pwedeng gusto nila na sinasabihan sila ng mga gandang salita. Okay? Doon nawawala, doon nabubura. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what is your emotion for you this coming week. The Tower. Okay. And Temperance Universe. Mapapansin mo, lagi lang yung makikipag-away sa'yo. Distansya ng distansya. Pagiging cold. Okay. Seven of Pentacles. The Hierophant. The Five of Wands in reverse. The Ace of Cups in reverse. So, nakuha ko dito, hindi siya nakakakuha ng energy sa situation ninyo ng contentment. Hindi makontento. Hindi siya kontento sa'yo. I'm sorry. Air sign. Ay, buhay. Ay, buhay. Mararamdaman mo yung coldness, detaching energies coming from this person by next week. Starting next week. Okay? A lot of arguments, quarrel. Lagi lang siya magsisimula ng away. Lagi lang may ganon. Kasi there is may mga nakatago. May mga nakatago dito. Hindi ko alam kung alam mo na may third party or talagang gusto lang ng taong to na kino-compliment siya ng iba. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. A lot of energy surrounding. Okay, so next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. So, who is this person? Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Who are they? The Ace of Cups in reverse. The Ace of Wands in reverse. So, I guess, nagkaroon kayo ng in and out ng taong to. On and off. Okay. Yeah, the Lovers. Some of you may chance na nagkaroon kayo ng connection pero no label. This is like an open connection, open relationship for some of you fire signs. Sex base, no emotions involved, like that. Okay? Itong taong to, pwedeng pinapaasa ka lang. Okay? Or ramdam mong pinapaasa ka lang. Yeah, the sex is good, by the way. Hindi ko yung sasantabi. Pero emotionally, this person is not open. Laging lang kayo may on and off ng taong to. Hindi. So, let's see what is the situation. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon, fire signs? The High Priestess in reversed. The Seven of Swords. Hindi na to naiiba eh. Hindi ka na dapat mabulagan dito. Or kung ano man. Hindi ka na dapat magbingi-bingihan dito. Kasi this is sabihin natin parang open book na. No? Oo. The Hermit in reversed. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. So, hindi iisa ang intention ninyo ng taong to. This is typical na player, typical na liar. Somebody is cheating here maybe, or somebody is sabihin natin hindi lang talaga totally invested or investing. Okay, wag kayo magpabulag sa action. Wag kayo magpabulag sa sinasabi rin. Hindi na bago sa'yo to. Okay, may mabubunyag dito. Some of you may malalaman kayo. Pwedeng may nalaman na kayo. Na sa tingin mo, nagiging dahilan or hadlang para magkaroon kayo ng matiwasay or magandang pagsasama. Some of you, this is like a hadlang para bigyan kanya ng label. So, what is the emotion for you, fire signs? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. This is avoiding you, saying no. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, and the Star in reversed. The Fool, Death. The Four of Swords. So, nakuha ko rito is the sentence, this is enough. This is enough. Yeah. I don't know who's who. Manggagaling yung salitang yon. pwedeng ikaw, pagdating sa kanya, may chance na pwedeng, okay, hindi ko na ipipilit to, kung ano man ang meron, kung ano man ang parang ginugusto. I think kasi yung connection nyo is parang tago. This is like a secret affair. Mga fire signs, this is like a secret affair na parang kaya lang kayo nandyan for each others because of the sex. Could be sex, okay, or the benefits, no, ng pagiging magka-connect. Pero the High Priestess, alam nyo naman na walang patutunguhan to. Mahirap magtago na magtago. So emotion ng taong to for you this coming week is parang pananamlay. Okay, pwedeng ikaw rin ganun sa kanya, parang pagiging hopeless, wala na pag-asa to, parang ganyan. Some of you, emosyon ng taong ito pagdating sa'yo, pwedeng ikaw tatalikuran mo na siya and mararamdaman niya na parang malaki yung mawawala sa kanya. Okay, kanya-kanya yon ha. So, kinuha ko lang lahat ng possibilities. Oo, na pwedeng mangyari ngayong week. Kasi may mga malalaman dito. And may chance na tatanggihan mo na tong taong to and feeling niya, oh no. Oh no. Parang ganon. So, parang feeling hopeless. Andyan yung energy na parang dapat pala pinaghandaan ko tong maigi. So, there's regrets afterwards. Eventually. Okay, so there. Next, water signs. Okay. So, diba? Lucky. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Your person's emotion for you this coming week. Your person's emotion, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, who is this person? Water sign. Who is this? Who is this? The Six of Cups. Could be your past. Could be a past person. The Six of Cups. The Nine of Wands in reversed. Okay. This is a past person. Two of Wands. This is a past person. May nangyari ng separation nga, no? Distansya. Physically, emotionally. Okay? Nagkaroon kayo ng sitwasyon ng taong tong mahabaan, matagal, pero dumating sa puntong nagkasawaan or nanamlay na lang. Or nandyan yung salitang sukuan. Okay? May ganong energy. Let's see anong situation ngayon or anong kailangan nating malaman sa sitwasyon, water signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Knight of Cups. Ay, mayroong gusto manumbalik. I think some of you might be dealing with a fellow water sign or this could be you. This could be you. So, Eight of Cups in reversed. The Three of Pentacles in reversed. Andito yung parang may gustong bumalik dahil may gustong i-fix. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles. Merong gustong i-fix. Some of you may chance na sabihin nating the grass wasn't greener on the other side. Okay? May nag-try dito, I think, na makipag-connect kung kanino. Pero hindi nag-click, hindi nag-workout. Parang itong taong to is always na lang na parang kino-compare ka doon sa ka-connect niya. And the Page of Wands in reverse. Yeah, may bago. Pero hindi pa rin siya totally maging okay. It's like, you. Parang ganun. Some of you, this could be you sa ibang dyan sa taong yan. Anyway, so what is their emotion for you, water signs, this coming week? Ten of Cups in reverse. Feeling incomplete. Feeling sad without you. The Ten of Cups in reversed. Yeah, Judgment. They want to come back. Water signs. They want another chance with you. Two of Wands in reverse. Page of Swords. They are stalking you. They are stalking you. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Pwedeng may iba dito. Or sabihin nating kung may iba, isang dahilan yung iba na yun para hindi niya gawin itong pakikipagbalikan. Pero gusto niya makipagbalikan sa'yo, makipag-ayos. So, you're in their head. They're choosing to stay sa energy nyo. Okay? Kung meron silang iba, hindi sila sabihin natin, hindi sila makaramdam ng happiness or contento. Yeah, Justice in reverse. Queen of Swords. They will take risk. They will. Okay, so yeah, they want a new beginning. They want another chance with you, water signs. Okay, so next, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. Your person's emotion this coming week. Earth signs. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Who is this person? Ito yung pinakamalakas na energy. Okay? Anong meron sa kanya? Judgment. Could be Scorpio. Could be a Scorpio. The Knight of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, there could be age difference or age gap. Okay? Kailangan pang mag-grow ng taong to, I think. Some of you, nakakapag-provide sila ng happiness sa iba. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles. I think this person wanting na magkaroon ng reconnection with you. I think this is like a past person's energy. I think. Two of Wands. May chance na malayo sa'yo. Pero they're not doing anything right now. The Knight of Pentacles. Andyan yung pagmamatigas. Andyan yung oops. Yes, gusto ko ng pakikipag-ayos, pakikipagbalikan, pero oops. I don't know why. So let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman, earth signs? The Six of Wands in reversed. They want your attention. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. They want your attention. They want another chance. The Ace of Pentacles. Some of them, iniisip nila na pwedeng meron ka ng iba. Kaya sila oops. Oops! Baka meron na silang iba. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. The Hanged Man. Iniisip nila na meron ka ng iba. Pero yes, they want a new beginning. They want another chance with you. Nakakaramdam na itong taong to ng selos. O sino man to. Okay? They want to talk. They want reconciliation. They want to talk about reconciliation. Okay? I think may nangyaring sa situation, no? May nangyaring, sabihin natin, somebody is like getting a lot of attention from other people and now they're getting jealous or feeling jealous. Merong ganon. May nagselos. Could be. So, let's see. What is their emotion for you? Earth signs. Aside sa nagseselos sila. Ng mga ganyang bagay. Gusto makipagbalikan or makipag-ayos. Gusto na new beginning with you. Let's see. What is their emotion? What is their emotion for you this coming week? The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Feeling nila, dinrap mo na sila. Dinrap. Like, wala ka ng pakialam. Parang pakiramdam nila, wala ka na daw pakialam. Wala na silang place for you. Okay. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The Ace of Wands. A missed opportunity. Okay, feeling a missed opportunity with you, Earth signs. Okay, your back is turned. Feeling nila, your back is turned. Wala ka nang ibibigay na chance for them. Feeling nila yon. Okay, kahit sabihin natin iba sa inyo, gusto nyo naman. Wala tayong magagawa sa nakikita natin sa feelings nila for you. Feeling nila is parang wala ka nang pakialam. Two of Wands, the King of Wands. Namamag-asa pa rin tong taong to. Okay? How do they see you? Let's see. How do this person sees you? The Moon. Paano nga naman, no? Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Feeling nila wala ka ng wala na sila, wala ka ng sabihin nating ibinibigay na kung ano mang attention sa kanila. You've been too mysterious, parang ganyan, silent. Okay? You're the Moon. Tingnan nila, you're the Moon. They're confused. They doesn't know anything about you na eh. Like, you're just like a big question mark for them. Okay, but yeah, they like you. So, it's up to them. No, it's up to them kung gagawa ba sila ng way or action towards you. Yun nga, takot lang sila. Takot lang sila. They see you somebody na happy without them. The Nine of Cups. I think, yeah, you're their wish fulfillment. Okay, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yeah, yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yeah, don't forget na bisitahin, subscribe, follow. And yun po, no, again, thank you. Goodbye.